Having trouble with your Xumo Streambox remote controlling your TV's volume? The problem often lies with HDMI CEC, which allows devices connected via HDMI to communicate so your remote can adjust TV volume directly. First, ensure CEC is enabled in your TV settings. Navigate to the Connection or External Device menu and look for options like HDMI Control or AnyNet Plus on Samsung TVs. Next, make sure your Xumo box is connected to the HDMI ARC port on your TV. This audio return channel enables proper volume control communication. If issues persist, power cycle both your Xumo box and TV. Unplug them for a minute to reset the HDMI handshake, then plug them back in. Finally, a loose HDMI connection can cause problems. Double-check that the cable is securely connected to both the Xumo box and your TV. If enabling CEC and checking connections doesn't resolve the issue, ensure your TV's firmware is up to date, as outdated firmware can cause CEC incompatibilities. Xumo has released firmware updates to address CEC bugs, so ensure your Xumo Streambox is also updated to the latest version. Some older TVs, particularly Vizio models pre-2021, have limited CEC support and may require workarounds like IR extenders. Looking ahead, AI integration may automate CEC issue detection. However, standalone Xumo boxes might see reduced support as Comcast focuses on integrated services. In the future, Enhanced ARC HDMI 2.1 promises to resolve many current incompatibilities, and wireless remote options are emerging to minimize HDMI reliance.